This is round 2 on that walnut keyboard for one of the guys that's in my Discord. Anyway, let's see. If I can bring this up here and then zoom in. Come on, work with me. Perfect. Nice. Goes. Anyway, really like this one. Perfect colorways. Yep. And then I ordered some stickers too. We saw that already. I guess just a reminder. So this is the case. Pretty nice, actually. And if you were here last time, we had this built up, so I've already installed all the stabilizers. They're all lubed. Krytox 205 grade 0. Just a DZ60 Rev 3 from the KBD fans. But last time I had ordered the wrong plate. So what was blocking it was the stabilizer opening on both sides was not big enough. And so it was blocking here. Anyway, we can proceed. Let's get some switches on this thing. So the switches that we're using is Gateron Black ink. I lubed and filmed these. Much easier when you have the right plate. I guess I can show these real fast. So these are the caps. Just looking for straightness here to make sure that during the weld process that none of the switches got turned. Look pretty good to me. Anyway. They are going crazy in there in that kitchen. They know I'm in here trying to stream. So far, so good. Now we're getting into all the hotkeys. Perfect. Keyboard works. So we're going to put some foam in here. So I've cut 2 pieces because there was this is the one that you could get as the kit. And it just comes from KBD Fans. But there's just a little gap. So I went ahead and cut this, the mat. Anyway, what this will do is just kind of dampen the sound a little bit. Sit up straight. All right. All right. 3, 2, 1. Nice. All right. Till next time.